Hello, this is Mike, and I bought recently a Hasselblad 500EL, but the battery which come inside was dead. This is very specific battery, it's a 6 volt, but I found in forums online that it is okay to use a 9 volt battery. The motor is rated for the voltage, so it's not going to be damaged. I had some 1-inch dowel in my garage, and I sawed a piece which is slightly shorter than the length of the battery. I drilled some holes and attached some screws, securing the wires to the battery adapter. And both the adapter and the battery fit nicely in the slots which were designed for the original batteries. And it's as simple as that. It works like a charm. Bye everybody, until next time.